Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and play Minecraft multiplayer on mobile. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and head into App Store and look for Minecraft and purchase it if you haven't already, right over here. Once you purchase the Minecraft game, make sure that all your friends are logged in into their own accounts, and then also make sure that all the players have an identical Minecraft version. Once you've done that, in the play menu, go to the friends tab, search for friends by their gamer tag and add them. And then you can simply go ahead and press play, then create new, or then select existing world and click edit, or you could just scroll down to multiplayer and then turn it on, and then simply go ahead and create the world and join it. You can also send an invite in the game by opening settings on the top menu and select invite to game, then choose your friends and send invites. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.